Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a sliding door. First, gather your essential tools, including a drill, a level, and a reliable measuring tape. Next, carefully prepare the door opening, ensuring it is perfectly plumb and square. This crucial step guarantees a smooth and successful installation. Finally, unpack all the sliding door components and thoroughly inspect them for any potential damage before you begin. Now, let's move on to installing the track and hardware. Begin by securely attaching the top track to the header of your door frame, using the recommended fasteners. Make sure it's level and firmly in place. Next, install the rollers or hangers onto the top edge of your sliding door panel. If your specific system includes a bottom guide or track, now is the time to mount it precisely. With the track in place, it's time to hang the door panel. Carefully lift the door and engage the rollers with the top track, ensuring it slides freely. Next, adjust the door's height and alignment to achieve perfectly smooth operation and a consistent gap. Finally, install the door stops to prevent over-travel and attach the handles for easy opening and closing, completing your setup. For the final steps, thoroughly test the door's movement, sliding it back and forth several times to confirm it glides smoothly without any hitches. Consider lubricating the track and rollers with a silicone-based spray to ensure enhanced long-term performance and quiet operation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your newly installed sliding door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.